uNdlovu uthi useready ukuthi ke angabambela umkhululi kanti uMamzobe uyamsola uNomkhosi ngokuthi ame aqambe amanga ebandleni ke lamaJudiya ukuze ke aplease uNdlovu. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 28th to the 1st of November 2024 on Monday. While a mother is expressing her need to mourn for her child, a wife insists his husband is still alive. Mazungu fights Nokubonga's battle and Nobuntu chooses her path in life on Tuesday. While Mazungu solidifies her daughter's stay at home by making sure them Tembo continue their providence for her, the comedians find out that once again their daughter has taken another wrong turn on Wednesday. Mamzobe and Tifa are devastated after finding a goodbye letter. Maphalala and Nokubonga are embarrassed after Mazungu demand a stake from them Tembos on Thursday. Ndlovu won the throne dark or blue, but played the smallest card up his sleeve, one that nobody saw coming. Spa welcomes a long-lost member, and Gabi and Lwazi are skating on thin ice on Friday. Ndlovu outsmarts Mamzobe and Nomkhosi. Church and brings undesirable emotions, and Gabi's secret is itching to come out. Well guys, it is all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Ndlovu to say ready.